I'm going to be making an experiment. It's kind of slime, but I got this like gel shaving cream from the store. It works fine. And so yeah, we're making slime today. I'm going to be making blue slime. I got blue food coloring, water, glue, and activator all ready, and my shaving cream. If you want to make slime too, you can just follow the directions. So first, you will need water, glue, and activator, a spoon, and if you want to mix fluffy slime, you can with shaving cream. So yeah, let's get started. First, we're going to add the cup of water. Then we're going to add the glue. Just get all of that extra glue out with a spoon. There. Now I'm going to start mixing. An easy way to start to mix slime, I usually like to bring it to like one corner and then start to mix, like get some water in the glue and just like move it around a little bit. But kind of in the middle, I like to like pour the water over the glue. You want to wait until the glue gets like all like mushed like this. And guys, it's your choice. You can have the food coloring first or the shaving cream first. But I think I'm just going to add the shaving cream first. So I'm going to be putting like the shaving cream in this. Let's see, I need the sign. Just tell me how much I need. Okay. So close to 100. There, that's enough. Now let's see, does it just come out perfect? Oh yes, it does. It smells really good. Be careful not to make it. It smells so good. It smells like blueberry, raspberry. Okay, let's start to mix. It's gonna start to get foamy. It's like starting to get like bluish a little bit. Let's see how this works. This is the mysterious part. Ooh, it's cool. Okay, now I'm going to start to add some blue food coloring. Now I'm just going to open. There we go. Just that. There, I don't want it to be like dark. Just want it to be like light blue. Please don't be too much dark blue. Don't turn to dark blue, please. Oh, this is nice, pretty blue. Oh, I love it so much. I think this is like the best slime ever. It's like blue. It's so pretty. I think it could use just a so gross. That's disgusting. Now this is really starting to get like really pretty. It smells really good. Too bad you guys can't smell it. It smells like blueberry raspberry. I like to go like side to side. Ooh, look at that dark blue. So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to... Ooh, it's getting fluffy!
What did you pour in?
I poured in some activator. I forgot to announce that. Activator helps it to get to slime. Just in case if you didn't know. Look at this nice blue slime. I'm curious how it feels. Ooh, it's starting to get like a nice wavy blue. Ooh, don't hear. If you guys see, if you look like really down below, look at that blue. Bring it to here. It's gonna get like really navy blue. So pretty. So pretty. Ooh, look at under. Oh, that's so pretty. Now I'm gonna put my hands in. It actually smells like really great, and also it feels like really cool. I like it. Do you think it looks like a water wave, or do you think it's like a dark blue moon? Comment down below. What do you think it looks like? Spoon. Set it aside. Start to mix. Whoa! Smell. Ta-da! My slime is all ready now. I'm going to show you some cool ways to play with slime. My first cool way is lay it out like this, pat it out, stretch it out, and then pat on it like a jam. My next cool way is to make it bubble. Whoa! That's the biggest bubble I ever seen. Bye, bye, bye. And then my other cool way to make slime is stretch it out again. Make them like this. Then this time you need to do it at the same time. Ready? And then it makes a bubble right in the middle. Isn't that cool? I have a bee. Stretch back. I'm a ghost. Guys, the last trick is for the slime is, well, I actually have two more. The first one is you need to flatten it out. This, not too flat, then poke. Then fold that way, fold that way, fold that way, crunch. If you liked our video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe.